Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna unbox the brand new KEF Coda W. And a lot of people have been talking about these speakers lately, and I'm also excited to see what's in the box, so let's get into it. This packaging has given a new look on how KEF has been taking care of its speakers lately. And it feels premium, looks premium, and feel like you're unboxing your new toy. Let's pause for a moment and run through what's actually under the hood of the Coda W. Straight from KEF International. The Coda W is built around a 5.25-inch or 130mm 12th generation UniQ driver array. That means you get a 130mm magnesium plus aluminium cone woofer for bass and mids, plus a 1-inch aluminium dome tweeter right at the acoustic center for highs. Because of this UniQ design, the tweeter and the woofer act as a single point source, which KEF says helps produce a more natural, spacious, and evenly distributed soundstage across the room.
Everything has to work together. And that is what we are at KEF.
Power-wise, each speaker has Class D amplifier built in. 70 watts for the woofer and 30 watts for the tweeter, so total 100 watts per speaker. One cool thing, KEF also specifies the maximum SPL at 1 meter, 102 dB. Basically, it means it's enough to fill a typical living room comfortably without a separate amp. The connectivity side, Coda W supports Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX adaptive and aptX lossless, plus HDMI ARC, USB-C, optical, RCA for line and phono, handy for hooking up a TV, laptop or PC, turntable, or your audio gear.
Russet brandy in a diamond glass. Everything is made from dreams. Time is made from honey, slow and sweet. Only the fools know what it means. Temptation, temptation, temptation. I can't resist. Well, I know that he is made of smoke, but I'm lost. Put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You better stop the things you do. You know I can't stand it. You're running around, you know better, daddy. I can't stand it 'cause you put me down. Put a spell on you.
In short, with the Coda W, you're not getting a simple bookshelf speakers. You're getting a full active speaker system that blends a classic two-way driver layout with modern digital amplifications and flexible inputs. Perfect for vinyl, streaming, or even TV audio setups. So, are you guys excited to hear what these speakers sounds like? Head down to TechX and try it yourself. See you guys in the next video.